There is one trail going down there. Cars are parked. Can we go this way? Looks like there are peoples. Pick up.
What will you do with the wood, Sanku?
I think make a campfire.
Which one?
Only one. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ತೆಗೆ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಬೇಗ
এটা নয়
মোটা এটা
বেশ ইয়ে আছে না দিস ওয়ান
পতলা পতলা আছে
ଯିବା ନା ଏଇଟା ନବ ମୋଟା ପତଳା ମିକ୍ସ ଅଛି
ସେଟା ଲାଗିବ
କିଛି ବି କାଢିନି ଖାଲି
ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ତାକୁ ବ୍ଲକ୍ କରିଦେବୁ
ନା ଘରେ ଯାଇ ଦେଖିବି।
ଘରେ ଦେଖିପାରିବୁ
ଅଙ୍କୁ ବସେ
ସିଟ୍ ଘରେ କାଲି ତ ଯାଇ ଦେଖିବୁ ଆଉ ବ୍ଲକ୍ କରିଦେବୁ That's a water tank.
This is water.
Yeah, water tank. It contains water.
See, there's two water tanks and for parks.
Hmm.
And two water filters from the water thingy.
Open 10 to 2. Saturday and Sunday and holidays. Memorial Day after weather permits. Lighthouse and Repsol open 10 to 2. The lighthouse will come to it next state park. So we are right here. We have to walk here. Manali is sitting maybe 1.5 hours away. That's the train. Let's see.
Because I want to put them in the water. Ah.
এইটা ঠিক ট্রেল ଥିଲା এটা ঠিক ଲଞ୍ଚ ଟାଇମ୍ରେ ଏଇଠିକି ଆସିଥିଲେ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା ନହେଲେ କାଲି ଆସି ଆଉ ଥରେ ଡବଲ୍ ଟ୍ରେକିଂ ଏଇଠି ହବ
ଆଉ ତ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ନା
ନା ଆଜି ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା ଦେଖିବା କାଲି ଦିନ ଦେଖିବା ନା କାଲି ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା ଦେଖି ହେବନି ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ବାହାରି ପଳେଇବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ
ଗଳି ପଡ଼ିବ
How steep is it?
ପୁରା ସିଧା
Super steep.
No, inside. Nothing.
चलो
ତାକୁ ଟିକେ ବିଜି ରଖିଲେ ଦେଖ ହାତ ଧରିଲୁ
You want to throw in the water? I think that's enough, right? You can hold that much. So steep here.
Stop doing that to me.
It's hard. Yes, I threw, but I just want to see what it is. What is here? They don't allow the car to go up to that. You have to walk. You got to walk, Anku. They have all this concrete path, very difficult to walk. Crying baby, 2 laughing baby there. Hawk Watch Station. How many kinds of hawks? Migratory hawks.
He loves small dogs.
lighthouse. It's a lighthouse. That's the lighthouse. Gift shop is closed. Something written here. Welcome to Turkey Point. The enemy returns. British Admiral Cochrane flagship arrived in the Upper Bay 1813. British career 45 years in the air that avoided residents along the seacoast. 36 years earlier, another British was under the conquer of the American Revolution. British era so history. There's the lighthouse. It's a cliff. It's the lighthouse. And then there is the sea. There is some walking trail this way. See the cliff. Nothing there. I know it. I know these guys are there. Annoyance. Come here, uncle. Wanna see?
That's what he wants.
Oh, good. So that money,
He wants money. That's what he wants. He wants money.
so that money will be yours.
No, it's gonna be his.
Yes, I want it. See my hand?
Yeah. Yeah. And mommy's teaching, so she's our teacher. She gets the teacher, and then mom and dad will give her money.
Yeah.
That's what they both want, money.
Then he got the money.